Hello viewer, are you facing collar sound and microphone not working? Let's see how to fix collar sound and microphone not working problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on apps. Now search phone app. Go to phone app. Now tap on phone app permission. From here, allow microphone and all sound. Now go back and tap on storage. From here, delete your all data from phone app. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search phone app. From here, make sure your phone app is updated. If your phone app is not updated, please update your phone app. Now go back to your setting. Go to sound and notification. From here, check your sound are not mute. Now go to home screen and power off your phone. Then after few minutes later, reopen it. So follow all of this step to fix collar sound and microphone not working problem.